How to generate a beautiful video just using a simple text. Here is the video.
To convert a text to video, which was possible through the Kaiber website, but now it's paid. As you will go here, let me show the demo first. Kaiber.in. This is the only website which is used by 99% people who are the AI creators, and till now it was the one of the best, and still best, because if somebody have money, so they can pay. So if you want to create a like these image, let me show how the videos are. If you will go in gallery, then you see, yeah, why it is taking time? Because of the server is down, because n number of users, after knowing these things, they are coming here and making their videos. See how beautiful videos they make. This is the one, this is the one, and this is the one. Okay, this one. Okay, so now it is paid. If you want, you must have credit card. There it is. Start a free trial. Okay, you have to, then they will ask for credit cards, but alternative is there, which is called Genmo AI. You have to open this. Now you have to create. Let's do it. Let's start. I already log in with my account. It says random. My name is random. Okay. So here first you will do create a first frame of your video. Okay, let's dancing. Okay, we have to create a video. So a girl playing piano or something. A girl playing guitar. Cinematic. Realistic. Let's see this much only, and okay, let's see. Generate image. It will generate image, but we want video, so okay, let's text to video now. So let's see what it will come. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's taking time. It's loading. Make a video now. Add caption, length. Okay. See, I'm not doing anything extra, but just let's make a video. And next time we will take our own picture. Let's see how video will come. Oh wow. Okay. Maybe it's loading here. So let's see how it will look. 5%. Can you see if you will and let me zoom? It's not yet. Wait. 15%. See, it's a free website, so that's why you have to wait also. And in paid also you have to wait. So just 30%. It's not started. Okay, I'm just hovering over it. Then only it's going to zoom. But let's wait for 100%. And it's saying upgrade to Gemini Turbo for 10x more fuel every day. Fuel here means your credits. They have different name called fuel, which is equal to credit system. I have 100 credits, and here we go. Let's download, and so you can see how beautiful it is, right? Should I zoom? Okay, let me download and download. Okay, let me zoom it, then it will be good. See how beautiful it is. It's a video, okay? 5 second, 10 second video. Maybe it's not visible, but see how beautiful she is playing the guitar. Okay, so this is the one, and you can use this video anywhere. And